We have arrived. Do it, man.
No pressure off.
No pressure. If you don't like it, you don't have to like it, man. But I know. Is it good? You like it? The Pitboss Brown has officially made it to Shaw's PEI, Brackley Beach, Shaw's Brackley Beach PEI. A happy Thursday. Rye's just in her glory. Yeah, it's all good. Well, I'm ready to.
Both have the same phones?
No.
She has a better phone than me. Yes, she has the newest, latest, and greatest. So we're unloading, and it's official. We are here, and the fire is rolling. Thinking of you, we are. 24. No. Yeah, it was about 24 hours. 24 hours later, we have arrived, and thank you, Jeff Geoff. We appreciate it. Boom, 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 boom. He even brought me ice. You gotta love that. My Thursday evening salute. Thinking of you, we are. Boom. Wait a minute, here we go. Oh, that doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound good. A very happy Tuesday evening to everyone. My rye is looking a little dark, but check this out. We got boom, boom, boom. Boom. Check that out. Woo. Wish you could smell it. And we got this going on over here. Jeff and Judy are close to being here, so Karen's taking a shower. We got to get this done. Thinking of you, we are. All the way from PEI, Canada. It made its way all the way to PEI, Canada. It's the Pitboss Brown Fin City Brews. Boom. Oh, Jeff and Judy are here. But look, man, we are stealing Sneaky Pete's recipe for muscle. It is PEI's finest muscle. Fresh, and fresh. The dogs are barking, so it is on. It is on. Thinking of you, we are. Fin City Brews. Boom. Ripping off Sneaky Pete with the PEI muscle. Judy, I'm scared of that.
I don't know.
I'm scared of that way.
I'm going the wrong way. I go the wrong way a lot.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Oh my God.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
I'm not sure I'm doing this.
Hang on, Bob.
She's doing that. I'm going to come back down in here and go. Thinking of you, we are. All the way from
Going
PEI.
outside.
That looks scary. That really looks scary.
It is scary.
Boom, boom, and check this out. Boom. Sneaky Pete's, Fin City. Thinking of you, we are. It smells awesome. It really does. Ooh. Boom. Check that out. Woo. Wish you could smell it. And we got this going on over here. Jeff and Judy are close to being here, so Karen's taking a shower. We got to get this done. Thinking of you, we are. All the way from. I don't know what time it is, but Punisher Waterfowl has arrived.
Oh, horrible. Oh, just horrible stuff. Oh.
Well, we don't make you drink it then. How about that? Welcome to PEI and Shaw's Cottages. Glad you made it safely.
Yes, sir.
All good?
All good.
All right, man. Thank you. Boom. Whew. Once again on PEI. Berkey, do it, man. And if you don't like it, please tell us the truth.
I'll tell you the truth.
Please.
I'm a beer drinker.
All right.
I'll be honest.
Let us know, please. Easy now. 7.3%.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Approved.
All the way from PEI, Fin City, Pitboss Brown.
Awesome.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
That's great.
Thank you.
Good, isn't it?
Oh, it's got like a nutty flavor or something to it.
From yesterday, results. Appreciate the effort. Thank you very much. We can spit on around just a little bit here, but we are enjoying Shaw's. I'm enjoying the little Crown Royal Black and Jeff's the Keys.
Alexander Keys.
Yeah, man. All right, we're waiting on Punisher Waterfowl to arrive. It's still nice. I think it'll be real.
Okay, Berkey.
Are we opening this?
We are. You are.
It's the blind care package.
It's a care package for the blind. Those who cannot see.
Oh, knife, fork, and spoon. Sharing is caring. Boom.
I'm dying to know what it is.
Mackerel?
Smoked hern. Herring.
Oh, Karen loves that.
Yeah?
Do I?
Do you? Karen, do you love that? Now that's for that.
Lobster. This is for the blind. Oh, it's frozen still, too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome, awesome, and awesome.
My
Oh,
gosh.
Uh,
She'll have to know.
I'm not going near those.
we love those.
No, they are there.
You gotta love the Viennas.
Oh.
Thank you, the Viennas. I'm gonna let Geoff handle those.
Wild mackerel, no, that's all.
Yes, you handle those. And not to be forgotten, the perfect berries. Berkey, thank you for thinking of us. Caring is sharing, and thinking of you we are. Boom. Woo. All right, I'm going to be very quiet because I do not want to wake up Karen. Timeline is 4:10 a.m. and these are the best 2 pork butts that I could find on PEI. They call them pork shoulders here. All right, more to come, more to follow. Thank you for following along with us this morning. A very happy Saturday morning. We're off to goose hunt, maybe a duck or two. All right, once again, I'm going to speak quietly just because I don't want to wake Karen, but I did get these bad boys on before 5 a.m. Check them out. Get down in here and check out this pork butt awesomeness. We'll see how they do. I'm figuring about, they're much thinner than what we normally do, so I'm figuring maybe like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, we can pull them lemon breast. So more to come, more to follow. Very happy. To think of what day it is, a very happy Saturday to everyone right here from Shawls and PEI. The moon is bright. Thinking of you we are. Boom. Shh, you gotta be quiet. It's 16 pounds of pork, but awesomeness. I guess we weren't quiet enough for Duke. Love, thank you. You've done an awesome job while we were out playing in the goose field. Got a little bit of this going on. Boom, boom, boom. Let's fire this up. Check out that. The pork butt. Awesomeness. 16 pounds in total. It is going to be on here a little bit later this afternoon. Well, this is 4 p.m. I thought these would probably be in temperature by 3. So we shall see. As always, we are enjoying Shawls on PEI. I think of you there. All right, so thanks to Damien's hard work, we were worried he may have had a little bit of bloodletting, but check these bad boys out. PEI's finest. Those are done, aren't they? I think so too. Very happy Saturday evening. All the way from Shawls Cottages, PEI, Brackley Beach, Prince Edward Island, Canada. Awesomeness. Thinking of who we are? The smoke is rolling in the house. What is going on out here?
It's unreal.
Bacon wrapped scallops on the grill. Look, is there a piece of water chestnut in there?